हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक विद न्यू वीडियो। आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ 9 जुलाई आइल्स एग्जाम राइटिंग टास्क 2 टॉपिक्स। आपको बता दूं, इससे पहले वाले एग्जाम में भी हमारी इस वीडियो से मटेरियल रिपीट हो चुका है। अगर आप भी चाहते हैं 7 से 8 बैंड लेना और स्टेटमेंट आपकी पहले से प्रिपेयर हो तो इस वीडियो को जरूर आप टिल द एंड वॉच करना। स्टार्ट करते हैं। In the society, male sports are given more attention than female sports. Why is it so? Does this trend have a positive or negative impact on society? Now the machine is very complex and a lot of difficult work is automated. Does this machine automation have more pros than cons? Scientists believe that computers will become more intelligent than human beings. Some people find it is a positive development, while others think it is a negative development. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. Some people think that the development of technology has made our life complex, and to the solution is to live a life without technology. To what extent do you agree or disagree? In the future, it seems it would be more difficult to live on Earth. Some people think that more money should be spent on researching on other planets to live, such as Mars. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Some people think that using animals for experiment purpose is cruel, but other people think that it is necessary for the development of science. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Some people say that the government should put money on building theaters and sports stadiums. They should spend more money on medical care and education. Do you agree or disagree? Some people think that music plays an important role in a society. Others think it is a simply form of entertainment. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. Museums and art galleries should concentrate on local works, not showing the culture and artworks from other countries. To what extent do you agree or disagree? The restoration of old buildings in a major city in the world involves a lot of government expenditure. This money should be used in a new housing or road development. To what extent do you agree or disagree? As transport and accommodation problems are increasing in many cities, some government encouraging business to move to rural areas. Do you think that the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? The tendency of human beings to copy one another is shown the popularity of fashion in clothes and other consumer goods. Do you agree or disagree? Most countries want to improve the standard of living through economic development. However, other things like social values are lost as a result. Do you think the values that economic development outweigh the disadvantages? Some employers think that the formal academic qualifications are more important than the life experience and personal qualities when they look for an employee. Why is this in the case? Is it a positive or negative development? Health experts believe that the walking is a good exercise for health. However, people are walking less nowadays. Why is this happening and how can be people encouraged to more walk? The food travels thousands of miles from farm to consumer. Some people think it would be better for our environment and economy if people only ate locally produced food. To what extent do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? Due to development in science and technology, lifestyle of people across the world are becoming more and more similar to each other. Do you think this is a positive or negative development? Some people say that the parents should organize free time activities for their children. Others say that children should be free to choose what they have to do in their free time. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. Although nowadays people are reading news through internet, news still remain the values. Do you agree or disagree? Some people think that it is necessary to travel abroad to learn about another countries, while other people think that it is not necessary to travel abroad because all the information can be seen on TV and the internet. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Media and newspapers show crimes or news which cause fear or provoke culprit. Some people think that crime news on TV should not be broadcasted. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Some people say that the best way to improve the road safety is to increase the minimum legal age for driving cars or riding motorbikes. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Nowadays, people always throw the old things away when they buy new things. Some people claim that the broken things should be repaired and used again. What factors cause this phenomenon? What effect does the phenomena leads to? Some people say that the industrial growth is necessary to solve the poverty, but some other people argue that the industrial growth is leading to poverty and it should be stopped. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Environmental problems such as pollution, climatic variations are increasingly rising nowadays. The government have taken some measures at a global level, but they got few solutions. Why is it so, and how can be this problem solved? So guys, if video is informative, please like, share and comment, and also share with your friends.